Good morning everyone, good morning. Another lovely day in Boracay. Obviously I was just walking from my hotel. I'm planning to walk from my hotel all the way to another beach. I heard that this beach that we're going in, it is very nice, especially for the sunset. But guess what guys, this camera, I don't know if my camera is, now's the time for the retirement or what. It's just acting crazy these days. It's just not following my order. Let me see if, yeah, it's not following my order. And also now, like I had a nice shot of, you know, the nice resort that I'm staying, but unfortunately all of them deleted. I don't know, I have to do something with this camera. Anyway, so good morning again guys, good morning. Beautiful, lovely, sunny day in Boracay. Yesterday was raining all day. I didn't do absolutely nothing. I was just staying in my room and relaxing. Because sometimes you need it. Sometimes really you need it. And because it was raining, I didn't even go to swimming pool. I was just in my room dealing with few things, and because I have a really fast internet in this hotel, like I was doing some stuff online. Like I was checking my emails and I have, hello, good morning. So I have like 27,000 emails that maybe I need only 100 of them. So I was just keep deleting them, and it was a really long process. So anyway, long story short guys, because of the rain and because of everything, I was just in my room. But today I'm walking to another beach. Hello guys, good morning, how are you? So look at this, roosters. So yeah, so I'm walking to another lovely beach. Unfortunately, like first 10 minutes of this video is deleted, but this crazy camera, for no reason, actually nothing to do with the camera, I guess something wrong with my stick. So yeah, today is a lovely weather. It is lovely, sunny, and I love to walk. What I was saying guys, for those of you that following me or subscribe to my channel for a while, you know I had a really bad eye infection when I was in Thailand before coming here, and I was dealing with that eye infection roughly over a month. So finally I went to Bangkok, thanks God to the Bangkok doctor. I got the right medication and everything is fine now. But one thing that I find, my vision is not like before. Probably when I'm going back somewhere like big city, I have to check it out. Or maybe yesterday I was spending too much time in front of laptop and iPad and so on and so forth. But I have to check it out because my vision is not like that. That eye infection is just affected somehow. So anyways, lovely day, lovely weather in Boracay, and we're going to discover another lovely beach that so many of my followers and subscribers recommend me to go there, and everybody says there is a lovely sunset. So if I like the beach, probably we can go another day, maybe tonight, for a sunset. But let's find out first. Another funny thing is guys, I'm sure everybody go through that. For past, like I would say, you know, I believe like for past like 6 or 8 months, I'm eating really unhealthy. I was really watching what I have to eat before, but for I would say between 6 to 8 months, I eat everything. Like I'm buying whatever, cookies, this, chips. I never ever eat this kind of stuff before. But lately I'm saying between 6 to 8 months I'm eating everything. And especially here, because I'm a little bit struggling with the food, I'm just eating fast food. And I'm sure you know what is McDonald's is. So it is really easy to gain weight, but it is very hard to lose it. So it just I need to, as soon as I move out, like as soon as I go somewhere else, and as soon as I can find healthy food, I'm gonna stop this. Today I didn't eat anything so far. No breakfast, no cookies. I bought some cookies, but I didn't touch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk more, and I'm gonna try to eat once for next few days. If I could, drink a lot of water and eat as healthy as possible. But unfortunately here it's just the rice and chicken, and chicken is good, but it's just a fried chicken. It's just like a lot of oil. I don't know, man. I have to put my healthy eating back in order when it's possible. So still I'm walking, guys. Still I'm going south of the island. This island on the map shows it is close to City Mall. So I'm sure you guys saw that City Mall. I've been there. There is that teeny tiny mall. People go for the food and shopping and so on and so forth. So from there, I have to go somewhere, left or right. I'm gonna take a look at it on the map to find this beach. It is early in the morning. Let me tell you guys what time is it, so you have a little bit idea that what is the time. 9:25. 9:25 a.m. There is some constructions going on here. And everybody's out doing their business. Good morning. And everywhere there is one police officer is just sitting there, and it's good, it's safe. So the light blue shirt, guys, is a real police officer. Look, guys, how everywhere is so extremely green and beautiful, and a lot of people living down there. You see, guys. Like, so, but it is so green and beautiful, man. Everywhere is just beautiful fresh air. No pollution exists here. So yeah, City Mall is, I believe that's that big building is a City Mall. So from there I have to take a look at it, which way I have to go. I really love this morning walk, man. I really love it. And thanks God that I made decision to come to this hotel. Like for the first 10 minutes is deleted. But I'm sure you guys saw that on my previous video. The area, the resort is fantastic. So hopefully when I'm going back, I'm gonna have another shot of that area because it's just like beautiful, man. Everywhere is green and so peaceful, and there's nobody, so you can really enjoy. Oh, I'm saying this camera is not following my order. Hey, dude. Okay, so now I have to stop for 1 second and take a look at my map. Yeah, this is the right way that, like when you get to the city mall, again, depends if you're coming from south or north, you have to turn right or left. And this is obviously city mall, and that's a supermarket, I believe. There's a lot of shoes here. Look at this guy. Look how much shoes. I guess all of them second hand. Hello, good morning. So in order for you to go to this beach, you have to walk through this local place. See all these local shops. Early in the morning, but everybody's up and running. Butcher. There is a local restaurant here. So it is a island that people get up early in the morning. It is not like Koh Samui, because there's another fish store here. Yeah, in Koh Samui, guys, people get up like bloody 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Some of the store doesn't open by 11 or 12. Good morning. But here, no. It is roughly 9 and everybody's up and running. Look, just everywhere is busy. People doing their business. You know, whatever that they have to do, but all the stores is open. People up. Lot for sale if you want to buy. There's another butcher. Obviously Marlboro. Hello, good morning. You see, guys, everywhere is open. And people actively doing their things. Good morning. I don't know what is this, but there's a huge door here. Again, this is local area, so you have to walk through here, get into this beach. This is a hotel. Rooms for rent, either hotel or condominium or monthly, daily rental, something like that. There's a lot of lot for sale sign. Maybe a lot of development coming here. My friend, the beach is this way, am I correct? Thank you very much. See, guys, it is really busy. Everybody up and running. And thanks God the dogs are not aggressive, man. In Thailand, most of the dogs are bloody, especially in this type of place, local place. They chase you, man. They bloody chase you. But thanks God here there is a lot of dogs, but mostly sleeping because of the heat. But today weather is nice. It is not too hot, guys. It is not too hot. Look how green and lovely this place is. Like everywhere is so green, but there's a lot of development. It's just left half like this. But the condition of some people, the way they're living here, is just unbelievable. You see, guys, so everywhere in this beach is not only, everywhere in this island is not white beach, or those shiny restaurants and the hotels. But I heard everybody talking about beautiful sunset here. So So it is a long walk, apparently, to the beach. Man, for a beach, do I have to keep walking? How many minutes? 35 minutes? 25 minutes, thank you. She was so cute. Guys, in order for me to get into the beach, I have to walk like 25 minutes. Good morning.
Shout out.
So, people really relaxing, doing nothing. This is the island life. But I'm so surprised, man. Most of the island in Thailand, up to 11 o'clock, there is absolutely nothing happens. And I've walked to so many local places. But here, no, it's just like, oh, look at that development up there, guys. Look at the beautiful villa up there. Oh, there is another nice development here, like beautiful villas. So it's just mix of, you know, beautiful luxury villas and, you know, I'm sure you guys can see it. I don't need to describe. Still, I have a long walk, guys. 25 minutes. House and lot for sale. There's a lot of house and lot for sale I see here. Maybe they're trying to cash out, you know, because there's a lot of development coming probably. I don't know. Oh, there is an. Oh, I saw the picture of this hotel. Oh gosh, I saw the picture of this hotel when I was booking hotel here. So it is pretty much middle of nowhere. I'm glad that I didn't book this hotel. Apparently there is another guest house here. Hotel and restaurant. Look at this. This is lovely. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
You're a vlogger?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. So you see reality of Boracay, guys. Oh, this is new built. You see, guys, it's just like nice place next to really poor people. See, there's a lot of for sale. Lot and house for sale, lot and house for sale. There's a lot of them. See, guys, another one for sale. You see, guys, I'm walking to show you the whole picture of everywhere. You know, not just the things that you can find everywhere, you know. Hello. Obviously, postcard picture of any city, any island is out there. You can find it, you know. But I'm just trying to show you guys when I'm traveling everywhere. Everywhere. That's why I'm walking, guys. To show you good, bad, and ugly. Oh, look at it. What a cute kind of Italian food restaurant. Here is the mess. And I'm sure you guys know I'm a clean freak. If my shoes gets dirty, I have to wash it. And I don't have a time to wash my shoes. So I gotta be careful. Still walking, guys. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you guys?
I'll find the logo.
There's a hotel there. I'm sure a few hotels here. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What is the name of this beach, my friend?
Diniwid Beach.
Diniwid?
Diniwid Beach.
Diniwid Beach.
Diniwid.
Diniwid. Okay. So the name of this beach is Diniwid. Obviously, I remember. Now I wasn't like when I researching, but it just there's few other places in my head that usually I mix up. Diniwid Beach. So this is a Diniwid Beach, guys, and seems to me is one of the nicest sunset, because if you go online and research Diniwid Beach, the review is really good, like 1,000 something. So Diniwid Beach, especially with the sunset, is very famous. Oh, it is lovely. But it's not developed like the white beach, you know. That's the only beach is just for tourism, I guess. Like a lot of hotels and restaurants and so on and so forth. But this is another lovely beach. Oh man, this is. But it's still, guys, it's still, I believe, New Coast, Boracay New Coast Beach, the one that I'm located. I believe that's the best one. That's my opinion. That's really my opinion. It is my favorite one so far. New Coast, Boracay New Coast. This is the one that obviously you have to stay in the hotel because it's a private beach. Maybe because of that, you know, there's not too much demand, because either you have to stay in one of the condominiums or one of the hotels there. But New Coast Beach is beautiful. But for a public beach, this is very teeny tiny, guys. It's very small. And I believe locals, because I see only few hotels here and teeny tiny. They're just like really small. Everybody says about sunset here. I don't know. Maybe sunset from those hotel or villa up there is beautiful because you can see the whole island. So facing south now, these guys can see everywhere. But it is very teeny tiny, guys. I'm sure it was a hotel in one point, but it's just now not in functional. Maybe people coming from those villas down here, because none of this is. Oh, there's one of them here. That seems to me people staying here. Yeah, there is one. I believe this is the one. Yeah, I don't know what is the name, but this hotel, like, they have few guests, I guess. Yeah, they do. I'm enjoying this beautiful, lovely beach. So this is a Diniwid Beach. And this resort is lovely, very private. They have a swimming pool. It is not too big, but I guess it's good enough. They have a restaurant right there. Are you guys ready for some adventures? Let's see. Let's see if I can walk through here to show you guys the whole island somehow. Holy shit, this is not easy. So private, they have a sign which means get lost, don't come here. Well, let's see how far I can go from here. Oh, it is beautiful, I'm not saying that, but again, New Coast, the beach that I'm staying, private one, so far to me that's the most beautiful beach that I saw in here. Again, everybody has their own different opinion, but that's my opinion. And maybe a lot of people, they don't know about that beach because it's not accessible to public. You need to stay in those hotels. But the water here is clean, beautiful, lovely. And this beach is next to Station 1, guys. Maybe I can walk. Let's see if I can walk from the end of this beach to Station 1. So let me show you guys. So this is a Diniwid Beach, guys. It is really famous. They have a really good review here. Like this beach has a really good review on Google Map, but it's teeny tiny. Again, but it's not crowded. So if you don't want to see million people, this is the one. You can really relax here. Good morning. Say good morning to everybody, man. Good morning. Like we need a peace and love. You know, good morning, good afternoon, everything. We don't need war, we don't need hate, we don't need racism, we don't need hateful comment, we don't need jealousy, we don't need craziness. We need a peace and love. So just tell everybody hello, tell everybody good morning, good afternoon, whatever. Let's bring peace into this world, you know, instead of hate and racism and war and you kill me, I'll kill you. You don't know what kind of hate comment that I'm getting, guys, from crazy people. Okay, I don't take it seriously because these people are mental. You know, they're not normal, but you know, just like let's bring love and peace. Oh, let me see if I walk up there. Oh, there's again few really, I don't know, I would say no, this is not a car, this is not a hotel. No, I believe maybe local people, maybe for local people. Okay, there is another, there's two tourists there. There's a restaurant here. Diniwid Beach. Okay, there's a resort somewhere up there. Obviously, everywhere has a security. I cannot walk through there. But the water is clean. Sand is a white sand, beautiful. But it's just teeny tiny. Don't expect to be on a big beach. This gentleman selling coconut here. Let's see if I go up there, what would be happen. Do I have an access from here? And there's a lot of monkeys here, so I don't want some monkey jump on me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, this is another side of it. And again, a lot of people here. Obviously, pictures. Most of the girls obsessed here with the pictures. Pictures, pictures, pictures. Hello, how you doing? How are you? Nice to meet you, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
So how far I can walk from here, do you know?
Yeah, straight.
To station 1? Oh really? Oh nice, nice.
I didn't try yet.
You haven't tried yet? Oh, you're not living here. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, all right. Okay. So apparently there's a way that I can walk. Let's do the adventures, guys. Maybe I can walk to station 1, but let's see. Oh. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
How are you guys? Enjoying the beach?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Nice, huh? Hello, good morning. What are you guys doing? Bye-bye. Kids are very excited to see camera. So now so a lot of locals here, of course. Take pictures. She's taking pictures. A lot of people taking pictures here. Okay, let's see. Where are we going, guys? Oh, hallelujah! Guys, it is connected. I don't know where it's connected, but it is connected. So let's find out. This is a bloody station 1? Let's go close and let me see. Look at the water, guys. Beautiful, clean. Chinese. These guys are Chinese, that's why they're blocking the sidewalks. You see, and then it's spitting. That's the way they are. Spitting on the floor and somebody else walking on it. I was in Thailand, I was in Pattaya, and one Chinese guy was smoking from the door from the hotel. And he was spitting on the ashtray, guys. Ashtray. This ashtray that usually outside in the hotel, he was spitting in there. And the guy now behind me is a Chinese guy, and he was spitting on the floor. And with the noise, like this. Okay, look at this. See, God knows, in one point it was a restaurant, I don't know, hotel, guest house, I don't know what was it. But it's just, now nobody's there. Hello, good morning, guys.
Morning.
What is this beach? This is station 1?
Yes, part of station 1.
Part of station 1. Oh wow, so Diniwid Beach is connected to station 1.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
correct?
Yes.
Oh nice, thank you so much. Have a nice day. So guys, this is a part of station 1. So if you are on station 1, 2, 3, and if you want to do this adventure and go to Diniwid Beach, you just follow this. That's it, it's just around the corner. follow the road, and then you're gonna end up to Diniwid Beach. It is small, really small. As I said, I'm just repeating again. I like the new coast beach, and I believe the best beach that I saw so far here, because it's just so nice, so clean. But unfortunately, that's not private. Hello, good morning. I'm in crowded part of now Boracay. You can see the difference here. Look how busy it is. And this is station 1. Now you have no idea what is going on station 2 and 3. Another private resort here is just nice. Beachfront. And the reason is White Beach is the most famous one, obviously because it's more developed. All the hotels here, and also it's very long. So, see another resort here, and it's kind of full.